Psalm 138, verse 7. Though I walk in the midst of trouble, thou wilt revive me. Thou shalt stretch forth thine hand against the wrath of mine enemies, and thy right hand shall save me. It's a message of the Lord for you today, that God is going to revive you as always. He doesn't want you to stay weak and to stay weary, but He wants you to get revived by Him as always. That's the message of the Lord for you today. God bless you, and thanks for watching my video.